Hi everyone. In this video, we will cover localhost gem download and installation. Also, WordPress download and installation on gem. Okay. Uh, we visited gem official website. Here there is a option for Windows Mac user. Now we will go with Windows user. Okay, click download. It may take some time. Okay, let's install gem. Click run as administration. Click next. From here you can choose your path. Here actually want to install gem. It may also take some time to complete installation. Okay, to see our installation is complete. From here we need to run just the Apache and MySQL. You see, this is a MySQL dashboard. Here actually there is a lot of options, but our goal is to install here WordPress and configure it. Now let's go to download the WordPress. This is official WordPress org website. You can see the latest version 6.9.1. Okay, the download is complete. Now we extract the file. Again, we run jam because that time I close the jam. I can see from here we started Apache and MySQL. And now this is carefully need to know we extract the WordPress zip file, and here we find the WordPress folder. This is the folder. Let's see here at C drive we install XAMPP. There is a lot of option, and at htdocs we will run the WordPress. So we just copy or move the WordPress folder to here. Now we need a database to connect the WordPress setup. So we uh, go phpMyAdmin, or just we uh, create a database. You can create a database with any kind of name. Okay. Just I create a database with the ABC. Here you can see the path. Okay, here I want to rename the WordPress folder. You can rename with your needed name. I rename this consultation. Just that name you need to write after localhost. Okay, here you find the option language, which language you want to choose. I want here just English. You can see that there is the need a database name. We create a database with ABC. Now just rename or write that database here. Here is we need username. At WordPress there we put generally root, and the password will be blank. Then start. Then run the installation. Okay, here you can write any kind of site. I write my site name, consultation, username and password. This is actually your choose option. So what you want to write here. That is totally your option. Okay, here you can put your email, and generally we suggest discourage uh, search engine visibility. Okay, you can see that my WordPress installation progress. Uh, Here I put the username and password that I created, you know, login. Yes, we can finally we install WordPress at our local host. This is the WordPress default dashboard. You can see the left admin sidebar. This is front end. Our site consultation site is ready. Okay, next time we will show different type of